Hello everyone, this is Professor Kanish and I teach analytics at RVU University. Now today I would like to tell you why you should study analytics at RVU University. The fact is that analytics is a space which is growing and evolving over time, and at RVU University we are cognizant of that fact. So if you think about the world around you, how do you see the world? Don't you see that the world around you is filled with different numbers, different processes, different activities which require you to process the information in your brain in different sorts of way? Yes, like the way from the moment that you wake up in the morning, the moment that you kind of get ready for your work or for your school, till the moment that you get to bed. Every time we are trying to calculate the time it will take for an activity, we are trying to calculate the time we will need to reach to a place. So at every place we are crunching numbers. So analytics is the field which allows us to kind of look at numbers in a meaningful way that enables us to get the best out of businesses and enable them to perform better. Now at RVU, what we do is we have a cutting edge curriculum which is taking the best from the university and from the industry, and we have faculty who are well trained. We have several years of experience and come from the best places. For instance, I myself have 10 years of experience. I am a graduate from the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, and post IIM Ahmedabad, I have taught for 7 years, and I also have a 3 years experience within industry as a software engineer. So over here, what you will get to see is you will get to get the best of multiple worlds. You will get to interact with and network with peers, and you will also be able to find that there is a lot of space for interaction with people and students from abroad. So what are the career prospects and networking opportunities? We do have exchange programs. We do have kind of industry-led internships which will enable you to kind of perfect your craft and become a successful business analyst in the future. So thank you and look forward to seeing you here.